Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the matrix visual for Power BI and when we should use the matrix visual. So there are a couple of pointers before we decide that we want to use the matrix visual. One is that we want to look up individual values. So let's say I want to look at what is an individual sales for a given year. That could be one. And another one is when we want to compare values. So we might want to see or compare values in 1 year vis-a-vis another year, or we might want to compare values for a year for a product vis-a-vis the same product for another year. And we're basically concerned about getting these values precise values. So that's when we would probably go and use a matrix. We'll also go and use a matrix when we have more than, let's say, 2 measures or more than one measure. And also when we have summary and detailed values and we need both of them. So let's start and I'll give you a quick view as to what I mean. So I've got this file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to this file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's do a quick start. So I'll grab the sales amount. And I'll also grab the, let's say I grab the tax amount as well, and I'll just click the matrix button. I put it into focus mode so it is visible to everyone. And what I'll do is now we want to see it by, let's say, what are these amounts by year? So let's just put that on. So I'll just select the year and the rows. So you can see that it's showing me the sales amount by year, and it's also showing me the tax amount. Now let's say I also want to see the products, how the products have performed. So I can go to dim product table and I can go and select the, let's say I pull out the English product name and I can put it into the column. So let's just put it there. And you can see that it's all of a sudden giving me how each product has performed for various years and so on and so forth. So this is making it a little cluttered. Let's just pick up maybe geography and see how that is. So let me just get some English country, I think it's English country name. So it's showing me for Australia, for what is the sales amount and tax amount across different years for Canada. So it's become a bit like a pivot table. So I can scroll and see how the amounts have performed for different countries and how they stack up. And then I can see the totals of the sales amount and the tax amount. Similarly, I can also see the totals for at a country level. So if I scroll horizontally, I can see the totals for a year level. And if I look at it like vertically, I can see for Australia and for Canada and so on and so forth. So just a quick overview of the matrix visual in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.